love for music and woodworking with the brand new, easy-to-assemble ukulele kits from Grizzly. Each of these 3 build-it-yourself kits incorporate beautiful woods not commonly found in other ukulele kits. Each kit comes with a basswood body, adorned with the veneer wood of your choice. Choose either quilted maple, fiddleback maple, or Hawaiian Koa. They all come with a laurel fingerboard, mahogany neck, a laurel bridge, and chrome hardware. This kit comes with everything you see here, and Grizzly's step-by-step manual makes sure you build with confidence by clearly walking you through the whole assembly process. Build it, customize it, play it, with premium materials that are meant to feel good in your hands and sound nice on your ears. Grizzly gives you the opportunity to unite your passions for music and craftsmanship with these ukulele kits. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today. And be sure you share your builds with us on social media.